Hello guys, let me hope you're doing well. So it's your boy Psycho coming up with a new video. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe real quick because we provide really good source on this channel. So if you want to be profitable, hit that subscribe button real quick and we get done with this video real quick. So this video we are going to be breaking down the charts, what we are going to be looking for this week. Okay, so the pairs that we break down as usual: GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. So buckle up and we get started. So we are going to be starting with GBP USD. GBP USD, we are looking for longs, though we have been scalping shorts, as I told you guys in the counter trend video. So if you're new to this channel, go check it out. So we were looking to long from this region, though by the moment the situations in the market, we can look for longs right now, and this is the reason why. So going on the daily, this is what is happening. Actually, it's not on the daily, on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are broken to the upside, 2 structure breaks, 1 2. Okay, so we can look for longs from this area right here, though I preferred the refinement in order to avoid multiple losses here. So I want to be wrong a small period of time. I don't want to be encountering losses to and fro. I just wanted the extreme region of this zone. That's why I refined it. It was on something like on the 1 hour. I'm going to be showing you the refinement. So, and also this zone. So I have 2 zones to work with. I have this beautiful refinement right here, and I have this full zone on the 4 hour. So this is what I'm going to be looking at, and the basis of my refinement of this zone right here, it was on the 1 hour. Sorry, not the 1 hour. Let me see, 30. Yeah, beautiful. So it was on the 30 minute. So 30 minute, we had this beautiful down move before the up move. We had this beautiful candle, which you may call an order block. So we had inefficiency of this order block, so it's what we are going to be using as our refinement. Okay, so I'll be looking for buys in this area. Okay, I'm not going to be looking for buys in the middle here. I'm going to be waiting for my beautiful buys into my refinement zone, and we take it to the upside. Okay, so that's GBP USD. Let's look at what USD CAD and Euro USD is showing us. So before going to the opposite pair, let's go to the same pair, like they have the same movement. So we go to Euro USD, and I know you guys know this, so sorry about that. So going on the 4 hour, it's still showing the same thing. We have the break one. Okay, break one. The reason why I'm liking this break one, it's because on the Euro USD, we don't have a beautiful zone to work with on the higher time frame. If you guys can see right here, we just have a push from this low right here to this high. So it's all dog shit right now, but according to the rules of pair mirroring, we are going to be looking for longs, because GBP USD is long, also Euro USD has to be long. So on the daily, let's see, 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour, we have one break to the top side, so this will be a very good zone to look for longs from. We shall be confirming this with the 5 minute or 3 minute, which works for you best. So that's it for Euro USD. We're looking for longs. Let's see, USD CAD, I was looking for longs in this area last week, but as you guys are seeing, the zone was liquidated impulsively. So we got our first break of structure right here, so we can look for zones to work with. So we have this extreme zone right here, though it doesn't look like a good zone to work with. Wait, okay, so let's continue with this. I had some little distractions. So continuing this, we have a breakout structure right here. Price broke it impulsively. We have our extreme zone, though price most of the times may not come back because this is a really far zone to work with. So let's continuously go to the lower time frame and see what we are dealing with. So we have this range right here, okay, this ugly range. So going here, we had our first, let's follow this structure, how it formulated. We had our first break right here, going lower, let's see, second break, third break, then fourth break, let's see, nice, right here, this is all dog shit. Let me first remove this stuff real quick. So we had this beautiful structure form, broke down, broke up. So this right here, we are broken up to the upside, though we are looking for the short side because it's the opposite of the other pairs. So we shall be looking to continue lower. We can look at this as a redistribution, continuing short. By the moment, we shall go on the lower time frame to prove that, like something on the 30-minute. Actually, right now, price is so ugly, so I won't be looking at anything right here. But though, if price gives me a displacement right here, we shall be looking for continuation short because this will be our first cycle block to the downside. So, USD CAD still looking for shorts, okay? Because of the displacement of this cycle block right here, we got a break, so we shall be continuing to the downside. Yeah, nice. So let's go to USD JPY and what I'm looking at USD JPY. So going on the daily, I was looking to buy this beautiful pair because it showed me willingness to do what, to buy. Because if you can look at this, we had a break to the downside, we got a second break to the downside, but we got a displacement up, came down, reacted perfectly, we followed this up, as you guys remember in the other video that I uploaded beautifully. So I was looking to buy from this area, but according to the context and how markets are moving right now, I'm expecting just a push through, okay, though this may happen, but by the moment, according to the context, I'll be looking for sells, okay, be looking for sells. If you look at the 1 hour, the 1 hour is generally bearish because it broke this structure right here, first structure, broke to the upside, gave us 1, 2, so we have 2 cycle blocks to the downside. So we have this range to work with according to the cycle block entry criteria. We have this high to this low right here. So within this range, it's where I'm expecting the sells to come from, okay? So that's USD JPY. I don't want to make this top down analysis long, so let's continue with clarity from Mr. DXY, okay? So Mr. DXY is the dollar, is the one that is going to confirm if we are right or wrong. Actually, it's not the one that's going to show that we are right or wrong, but it's adding more clarity on our context, okay? So going on the daily, what is the daily showing us? The daily is showing us that we are completely bearish, because if we see, we had a break of structure right here. This was our first break. Let's continue this. Our first break gave us our second break, our third break, fourth, came back, mitigated off this perfectly, came down. We are in a cluster right now, reacted off perfectly. So I remember guys were looking for shorts right here. So this was our liquidity area, okay? So if you look at, actually, yeah, beautiful. So this was a cluster. So cluster was made at this point right here, broke to the upside, broke upside, broke upside, broke down. So we're in a really good range like this. So if you have a look at the internal structure, this is what is happening. Broke down, broke up, gave us only one break. This is now the high, and this is showing us a redistribution to just continue to the downside. This is actually clear if you have been following my content. Actually, yeah, redistribution, if you understand this, everything will be fine. Like, you will understand what I'm talking about right here. So we have a redistribution to just continue to the downside. So that's what we are looking at right now. So if you continue on the 4-hour, yeah, 4-hour is showing it perfectly. So redistribution taking us to the downside. We have this push to the upside. We have this break, this beautiful break of the low right here. So we have this low here and this high here. So continuing to the 1 hour, 1 hour will bring it out perfectly. You have this break, actually, yeah, this break, double break. So price comes down, gives us a low. So this zone will be, sorry, let's go up like something on the 2 hour. Yeah, this can be good for us. This can be a good zone to work with, continuing price to the downside. So you're seeing USD, you're seeing the DXY is generally bearish. So that's what I'm going to be looking at this week. So guys, let me hope this can be a very good guide for you guys when you're trading the markets, and I want to wish you all a beautiful week and a great week, guys. I sign out.